Good morning, guys. I'm super excited today, and let me tell you why. You're never gonna guess what I found. I told you guys my GoPro died. I was like, well, I don't have a tripod, so I'm getting all these weird angles, which were in my last video, and guess what I found? So I do have a tripod. It's for my GoPro. I got up in one of our tubs, and I found this. It's a connector, so I can use my phone on the tripod that was for my GoPro. That being said, we should get some much better angles today. Yeah, look, I'm all dressed up, guys. I did my hair and my makeup. You're like, why are you doing that? Just to sit at home. But here's what I've realized. I realize I feel so much better if I take a shower and do my hair and my makeup. Even if I'm just sitting at home cleaning, I feel so much better. Because if I start cleaning and organizing, Luke is home before I know it, and I'm not even dressed. I'm in my pajamas still because I will find things that need to be done. I'm up and I'm ready for the day, and I've had my Earl Grey tea this morning, and I am making myself some coffee as well because I need a little bit more energy today, because I'm gonna do the fridge clean out and reset because it really needs it, guys. It is just full of stuff, and I apologize about all the noises. It's cold in here today, you guys. It is like 19 degrees outside, so I gotta keep the heater on, so you're gonna hear some noises today, but that's okay. Oh, let me show you guys what we got yesterday. So we went to the library yesterday because my book was way overdue, and I got some new stuff. I got this, it's called Never Play It Safe by Chase Jarvis, and then I got this, it's called The Think Straight Talk for Women to Stay Smart in a Dumbed Down World by Lisa Bloom. Luke got Cyber World, Tales of Humanity's Tomorrow. Last year we rediscovered the library, and I read so much more, and it was amazing, and I want to read even more this year, so I'm gonna go ahead and get those books started later in the day. But for now, I want to go ahead and work on this fridge because it's been bugging the crap out of us. Let me show you what I mean. So here's the issue with the fridge. You really can't put a lot in this area because it will freeze. I put my eggs up here before and they've just completely frozen. So this is really off limits for a lot of stuff. This is our cat's diabetes medicine. But it's just very full right now, and it's not full of like a lot of things that we eat every day. It's just like, oh hey, we wanted to make pasta, so we need a pasta sauce. So now that's in there, and then I don't know, it's just a lot of stuff, and we don't have room for new things to put in. So I want to just take everything out, clean it, and then put stuff back in and kind of go through things that we're not using and just get rid of it. Show you guys the freezer next. With this, I just want to go through and just organize it and see what we have. And then if you're new here, my husband put in the second freezer for extra storage. So we don't have a lot going on in there right now, but again, just organize it. So yeah, I'm just gonna get a little coffee in my bloodstream, and then we will get started. So this is everything out of the fridge minus the milk, creamer, and Kleina's diabetes medicine. All this stuff over here is either out of date, we're not eating it, or it's mostly gone. It is gone. This stuff we are still eating, but I'm gonna just put it in smaller containers so it's not taking up so much space. This cat does not go in the fridge, but she refuses to get down, don't you? You can't go in the fridge, you're not a food. I don't know what to tell you. So that's the fridge now. It doesn't look amazing, but at least I have a little bit of room now. Everything's kind of organized. So I feel a lot better about that. And I can't believe there was this much stuff in there. Like where was it? So our smaller freezer, it looks pretty good. It doesn't really need a defrost right now. So I think what I'm gonna do is put the items that we use more frequently in this freezer. And this freezer over here, I actually am gonna defrost just a bit on the top there because you can see the ice building up. This is all the stuff that was in both freezers. I am aware that we need to go shopping and buy some stuff for the fridge and just to stock up the freezer. But honestly, we just need to go through a lot of the stuff that we have. I know we eat a lot of processed foods, and I know we eat a lot of frozen stuff, and I'm trying to do better with that, especially now that I have more time at home. I'm not a great cook, to be honest. People are like, oh, just read the recipe, just read directions. You would not believe how my brain skips. Like in simple things too, I'll just skip directions. I feel like I'm reading it like this, but my brain goes like this. I don't know what it is. I'm working on it. Just seeing that there is an issue, I think that helps, and just trying to educate yourself helps. So I don't know, I think we're gonna try to do more fresh stuff this year. If you have any tips or tricks, please let me know because this gal needs help. I also do this thing when I'm recording or I have a project going on and I frequently forget to eat. It is 12:39 p.m. and I've had my tea and my coffee. And now I realize that I'm starving. So even though I have frozen food sitting out on the counter, I have to stop and give my body something. So I'm gonna eat this orange so that I don't perish. And then I will get back to finishing the project and then I'll eat something more substantial. But yeah, this happens a lot. Please tell me I'm not the only one. So it's not perfect, but it's a lot better. We got some ice out of there. And we're not striving for perfect today because I have a lot more stuff I need to get done, but it's done and that's good enough for me. And now I'm gonna throw this stuff back in the freezer and then we gotta wash some dishes, but I'll show you guys what it looks like now. So we'll start with the refrigerator. I don't know what's going on with that light. And le freezer. It doesn't look like we have a whole lot, but that's because we do not. We live in an RV. But I do need to go shopping and now at least I know what we have. It's just nice to like go through everything before you go shopping so you don't double buy. I do have these cabinets up here I'll show you. And yeah, we do have a switch up there. It's Luke's brother's that we borrowed, but there's not like a great place for it. I do have these cabinets up here I need to go through eventually again, but I kind of know what's up there. And you can see there's been some attempt at labeling. But next, I really need to get these dishes done. So I'm gonna clean up this area and scrub-a-dub-dub.
What are you doing, Booger? You always come say hi to me, don't you? You always come say hi. This is one of the outside kitties here where we live. And he's so friendly. Oh, you're a sweetie pie. We had a letter at the office, and I forgot my friend Amy asked for our address, and she sent us a little card. So I'm gonna open it and see what it is. So sweet. So it's happy holiday, happy new year. That's really pretty. Dolly and Luke. Hey guys, love watching your nomad journey, even if you're set in one place right now. Hope you get on the road again soon. You two are so fun to watch and both the best souls. I love how sweet you both are, and so of course I feel connected to you. Only us kind souls can stick together. Plus you guys are kitty parents, which makes it even sweeter. I hope this new year brings all the love and joy. You're so freaking sweet, dude. Thank you so much. That seriously made my day. It really made me think, you know? We haven't been on the road in almost a year now. A year and, I don't know, a few days. It's been a year. But that's so crazy. It's so crazy. We spent 2 years on the road, and now we've been in Oklahoma for a year, which is wild. Time is so strange like that. I don't know, we might get back on the road again. You never know. I mean, we have that option. We are getting another car this month. Luke's dad is moving to the Philippines. I don't know if I mentioned that. So he'll be here, I think, around January 10th. And we'll be buying his car, so we'll have another car. And I applied for a job at the library, so I might be a librarian. That's so cool. I feel like that'd be a good job for me. It would just be part-time, so I'd still have time to make videos and do stuff at the house. If you hear a tinkling sound, I swear it's not my cat peeing. It is their water fountain. It goes all the time. Unless I turn it off for a video and forget to turn it back on, which I do. I do. They have a water bowl as well. Anyway, so off topic, but yeah, you never know what the new year might hold. I mean, we don't plan that far in advance. When we decided to get married, we got married like a few months after. So yeah, we don't plan that far in advance, and you never know what's coming. That's what's so exciting about life. You just never know. That letter was so sweet, Amy. That touched my heart, and I love you, girl. All right, back to the cleaning. We did it. We did it. We did it. That's how I always feel after I get the house cleaned and everything's all nice and fresh. So it's done, and Luke's gonna be home in about an hour. If you guys have any ideas for videos you want to see in the future, it doesn't matter what they are, just let me know and I'll see what I can do. Thank you guys for hanging out with me today and watching. I love you, and I will see you soon. Bye.